I have been working so hard in my network marketing business, but I feel like I'm stuck at this level. What do I need to clear or work on so I can move forward to the next ranking? Chan from Malaysia. That's a great question. When we look through the BodyMaitre systems, we can see that each of your 4 bodies, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, hold certain patterns that may be blocking you. Let's go through them one by one. Spiritual body, clear challenges and trauma, age between 41 and to 50. Your spiritual body is carrying challenges and unresolved trauma, especially between the age of 41 to 50. These past or even future pre-programmed experiences may have left an energetic imprint that still affects how you see yourself and your goals. Are you facing any big challenges within this age that are affecting your life? Mental body, judgment. Here we see a strong pattern of judgment. Maybe you've been judging yourself, thinking you are not good enough, or even judging your upline, your downline, your subline, the company, the products, or even the network marketing industry itself. All those judgments create heavy blocks. Imagine trying to build success while secretly doubting or criticizing the very foundations you are working on. That's why clearing this is so important. The more judgment you have, the more judgment you will attract to you from externally. Emotional body, feeling restricted and blocked to confident. Emotionally, there's a restrictions, especially around confidence. Do you sometimes feel limited by your family situations, by money, or by your own business skills? Maybe you feel you don't have enough knowledge or ability to show up confidently to move on to the next level. This lack of confidence makes it harder to step into the next level of leadership. Physical body, defeatism. Here we see defeatism. This is when you start believing failure is inevitable physically, almost like giving up before you are even finished the race. It's linked to pessimism and resignations. If deep down you feel maybe this will never work, that energy pulls your result down to no matter how much action you take. So all 4 bodies are showing blocks. Exactly. Your 4 bodies are telling you spiritual trauma, mental judgment, emotional lack of confidence, and physical defeatism are holding you back. Once you clear these energy patterns and interferences, you create a much clearer path for success. Your vibrations rises, and that's when manifesting the next rank in your business becomes natural. So the real work isn't just in strategy, luck, teamwork, or effort. It's in aligning and clearing your inner bodies. When you do that, your network marketing journey can flow with much more ease and success.